My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is the work, day number 35. It's time to fix everything, make everything right with range and repair. Let's get to it. You know, not to argue with the experts that put the science and time behind these workouts and exercises, they do a lot of full body and total body workouts, but it doesn't seem to be full body recovery stuff. Today focused a lot on upper body and shoulders, so I spent another 20 minutes doing some lower body foam rolling. I don't know, I'm not going to argue with them. They're a lot smarter in nutrition and fitness than I am, but just seems a bit odd to me. Please like, comment, and share if you want to continue to see me on this journey. And of course, the work will continue tomorrow.